back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today I have a wig review, and I'm already like in love so much that I can't even get to it. But let's get to this girl. After I'm done with the review, I'll put in the clips of how I got her together. It legitimately took me like 2 minutes. But this is Outre's. This is Miss Charlene, and I have her in the color 3DR/BGRY, which is 3DR Blonde Gray. It's the same one that's on the stock card here. This is part of their Outre and Play Human Hair Optimix. So it's a human hair blend, lace front wig. She's a lace front eye parting, so it is a center part. I want a little bit with the powder. And she is heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. Okay, and I scooped her up from Sam's Beauty. She comes in a box. Sam's Beauty for $29.99. I love this wig so much. It's these like ashy, I'd say it's a blonde brown mix. It's not super dark. She's coming in at probably about 26 inches long, maybe a little bit longer. I am 5'6.5". Okay, this is, the luster is amazing. She's looking shiny in the lights, but she isn't. She's got a pretty luster, but she's definitely more of a matte color. I'd say it's a number, yeah, it's probably a number 2 rooting. The rooting is really gorgeous. It is a light yaki texture. There is some silkiness to it. You know, it's a straight wig, so it's going to tangle a little bit. But if you keep on her, I don't think that there's going to be an issue at all. I would say the wig cap is a little bit on the larger side. It's not super huge, but it's definitely something that I had to adjust. Let's look at her from the back. I didn't have to pluck anything out from the part. I didn't do anything but cut the lace. So this was really like a lickety-quickety split. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. There's just like a slight bit of wave just like on the ends. So yeah, I love this wig so much. I put a tiny bit of heat on the parting area just because I don't like these separations. So I also put a little bit of hairspray to sort of keep that separation back. But other than that, that's all that I did. And I am super, super duper in love with this girl. So yeah, that's what I have for you for Charlene. If you have this wig, please let me know down below. Oh, if I didn't say, this is definitely like a multicultural option for sure. If you have this wig and you have any thoughts or whatever, put that down below. If there's another Outre wig from this line that you would like me to review, also put that down below. If there's an Outre wig in general you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you want to become one of my channel members and have some of your reviews, make sure that they happen in a timely fashion, or if you would like some wig coaching, you can go ahead to my channel memberships. I'll try to link it down in the description box, but you can just hit the join button as well if you would like to, but I'll try to put the link down below. And yeah, that's what I have for you today. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.